Welcome to Zapdex. This Zapdex presentation was created with ZapTheater. Create great presentations for free. No strings attached.
What is Zapdex?
Zapdex is a database.
I love databases. This SQL injection query takes the square root of infinity and extrapolates it to pi cubed.
No. That's not Zapdex. Zapdex is for normal people, but nerds can use it too. I am almost out of paper clips. So I open my Zapdex and update my shopping list. I made the input box small, so it fits on my cell phone.
Check out my database of college football teams. I'm gonna click on Penn State. I use the fields to save information. When I click on website, it takes me there. I hover over a picture. It makes it bigger. I click on the picture, it displays full size. Now I click on Spreadsheet. This opens Spreadsheet mode. My links still work, and I can hover to enlarge an image. Now I can filter for Big 10 teams only. Export any spreadsheet to Excel or LibreOffice. Your bookkeeper will jump for joy.
Do you use bookmarks? First you click the dots. Then click on the menu. Another menu. Pick and click. Yet another menu, too complicated. Holy cow. What's a girl to do? I'm glad I watched that. Now I use Zapdex for bookmarks and for everything else too.
This Zapdex spreadsheet holds the ZapTheater images that I use most often. I can click on any image to add it to my show. I want the same voice for a given image in every show where that image appears. I found a good voice for the nerd for free. So I copied the link and pasted it into his record. In all future ZapTheater shows, his voice will always be the same.
Every computer programmer keeps a library of coding routines and documentation for servers. Zapdex makes it easy. Saves me a lot of time. I highly recommend Zapdex and ZapTheater too.